Okay, these are quadruped hip cars or hip circles, if you want to think of them that way. It's a nice mobility exercise for the hips. Show you what I'm going to do with that ball in a second. We're going to be on all fours, and what we're doing is, so the general motion is this, okay? But let's work on the form a little bit. So we're going to go, this leg goes up, and then we turn it inwards, okay? Up, keep it turned in as much as possible until you can't go out to the side anymore. And you're going to make a big circle, and then come back, and then we're going to go backwards, turn it out, and then keep that out, turned out position, rotated out position as much as you can while making a big circle and coming around. A couple compensations we don't want to do is we don't want excessive movement through the body. So as we're doing it, don't be leaning away. Ideally, with just the hip is moving, your spine and this other side is staying as locked in as possible, even if that means you're not moving the hip in a circle as much. It will come in time, so don't force it too much. Lastly, especially on the way backwards, we're not arching super far. That's all we want right there. Again, that torso is staying nice and straight, turned out. And then I want you going about, honestly, this speed. Really find the resistance point in that big circle and try to make that circle as big as possible the whole way around. And up, turn in, hold that in as much as possible. You can hear my breath. I'm pushing all the way around, just like that. If you're having another issue what people have, as long as with moving, is as they're doing it, the leg likes to straighten out. So if you have a little ball, something like this, you can put it in your knee or behind your knee right there, and then your knee, you have to bend your knee to hold that ball in place, and that's just going to really help you keep that bent knee position, and it's going to add a little bit of an extra challenge in that hip joint. So if you do have that, it's ideally used.